ready to go out.
You always do this. Does anybody else, when they're walking their dogs in the wintertime, just try to get it over with so fast because it's so cold? Oh, I'm freezing. Hey guys, it's Francesca. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I just walked my dog outside and it is cold, guys. It is freezing. For me, I live in Arizona. So today I'm going to be showing you guys my winter nighttime routine. And to be honest, it's pretty simple. I like to take a shower at night and just kind of do my skincare and put comfy pajamas on. But I'm going to take you guys through what I do to unwind before I go to bed. Today was a pretty busy day. I ran some errands with my boyfriend and I started wearing these mom jeans that I got from Misguided, and they're so cute. I really like that they're like baggy. This was kind of my outfit of the day. I'm just going to take a shower, and I don't usually wash my hair at night, so I don't think I'm gonna do that. But yeah, let's get ready for bed. Now comes the fun part of the evening. I got these little headband things on Amazon. They're so soft, like a little like stuffed animal. I know it's like probably really weird. I love these. I'll link them down below if you guys have been looking for little headbands like this. Been looking for a good natural deodorant, and my cousin actually told me about this one. This one is the sugar cookie one. Parents lather them with this as a child because literally mine did, and I'm obsessed with it. It smells so good, and I feel like this is the only thing that actually moisturizes your skin. Guys, so here we are. It's the end of the night. After I've like gotten ready, I usually call my boyfriend and I ask him how his day was and what he's doing. But because I'm doing my nighttime routine with you guys, I'll just ask you guys, like, how is your day? How are you doing? I'm also really interested to know, like, based on where you are in the world, what is winter like for you? Or maybe based on where you live, you don't even have winter right now, but I think that would be really cool to know, like, what is winter like where you're from. For me, I live in Arizona, and for us in the summertime it gets super hot, like 116 degrees, and then in the winter time it gets to be like 40 degrees at night, and for us that's like freezing because we're used to such hot temperatures like early in the year. But yeah, so I really want to know like what winter is like for you guys and what you do to unwind. I like to have a lot of drinks like by my bed before I go to sleep. So I make a tea and I usually drink that, and then I have water because I like drink water through the night. It is just absolutely crazy to me how fast this year has gone by. The fact that I'm even making a winter nighttime routine, like it blows my mind that it's even winter. Tomorrow is New Year's Eve. It blows my mind that this year is basically over, like good riddance that this year is almost over, but it seriously blows my mind. Like, this year has gone by so incredibly fast. And I'm very grateful for that. At this point in the night, I just have my tea. I relax under this star projector. And let me tell you guys something about the star projector. This is something that I wish I knew. I feel like so many people were raving about it. That's why I got one, let's be honest. Let me tell you something. The lasers that shoot out of this thing are so incredibly strong. And if you happen to like look into the laser thing, it will really hurt your eyes. And I'm someone who gets headaches easily. And I tried filming a video a couple weeks ago similar to this one. And I had the star projector pointed like at my face a little too much. And the next day I had like a raging migraine. I think I need to like prop it up on something, but it doesn't like cover the walls as great if it's not on the floor to like project upwards. So I'm gonna have to find a solution for the star projector. It's very pretty, but like be careful. Also, I have to tell you guys about this. So usually at nighttime is when I like to edit videos, like right before bed, and I just did this DIY to my MacBook, and I have to show you guys because I'm obsessed. But I ordered a new case for my laptop, and I did a Swarovski logo, and look at how beautiful it is. I'm so obsessed. I got these little Swarovskis from Michaels, and this case is from Amazon. And guys, look at how gorgeous it came out. I am obsessed. Thank you for unwinding with me, and I hope you guys have a really great night. Okay, bye.